Welcome. In today's video, I'll be showing you step by step how to remove your bio on the Telegram app using your PC with the latest update. If you've added a bio before, but now you want a clean profile without any extra text, don't worry. It only takes a few simple clicks. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Once the app is running, you'll see the main screen with all of your chats. Look up toward the top left corner of the page and click on the three horizontal lines. This will open up the main menu where you can access all of your settings and personal information. From this menu, go ahead and select My Profile. This section shows your display name, phone number, profile picture, and of course, your current bio if you've added one before. Now, to make any changes, you need to click on the Edit icon. It usually looks like a little pencil symbol and it's easy to spot near your profile details. After clicking on Edit, you'll see different fields you can customize. Find the section labeled Bio. This is where any text you've previously added will appear. To remove it, simply highlight or select the entire bio text. Then, on your keyboard, press the Backspace key to clear everything out. Once the space is completely empty, it means your bio has been removed. Now that the text is gone, make sure you save your changes. Just hit the check mark or the save button, depending on your version of Telegram. As soon as you do that, your profile will no longer display a bio, and it will appear clean and blank. And that's it. You're done. You just learned how to remove your bio from the Telegram desktop app in a matter of seconds. It's a super quick process and really useful if you want to simplify your profile or just prefer not to have any extra information showing. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to follow along for more easy tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching.